The EcoTools Ready Set Glow Kit is a 6-piece kit comprised of 1 blender, 4 makeup brushes, and 1 makeup brush and sponge cleansing shampoo for creating a fresh, glowing look. The Fresh Perfecting Blender is infused with a protective silver infusion to keep your sponge cleaner, fresher, and longer for a flawless foundation bar. Use the microblending brush to seamlessly blend in concealer and liquid or cream foundations. Lightly apply powders under the eye, nose, and T-zone to set your foundation with the angled powder brush. Use the diffused shadow brush's densely packed bristles to build up eyeshadow for a flawless look. Diffuse and blend in your bronzer, highlighter, or blush with the complexion buffer brush. Extend the life of your sponges and brushes with the EcoTools brush and sponge shampoo that removes dirt, oils, impurities, and makeup buildup from your tools. Top reviews from the United States. Great quality. I received some of these from my daughter and absolutely love them, so I thought I would buy both daughters one.